Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 not launching or won't launch issue, crashes at a startup error, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. First fix include step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all 4 steps, you can check if your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check if your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here we go. First step, make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear Black Ops 7 cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Black Ops 7 game and then highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see these features on your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now after following all the 4 steps, now launch Black Ops 7 and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 2, run the Black Ops 7 from the store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. So to do this, type Black Ops 7 in the search bar, click on it and then click on launch game and check. Fix 3, manually select port. Go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings, select alternate port selection, then click on manual, click on select port and select a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Then restart your console and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Fix 4, remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove and then select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account. After adding your account, launch Black Ops 7 and see if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. Now go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS and then save it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1. Save it and then relaunch the game again and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to reinstall Black Ops 7. Now if nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to uninstall Black Ops 7 from your Xbox console, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your problem or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 not launching or won't launch problem, crashing issue, crashing at a startup, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.